Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Ring Doorbell. To do this, first you'll need to download an app called Ring on your Android or iOS smartphone. When it's downloaded, open the app. You'll also need to create or log into already existing account. And when you're done, you should see something like this. Then we can click on Setup Device, select our doorbell, and then it asks us to scan QR code, and you can find this QR code either on the back of your device when you unscrew it, or on the instructions page like this. So I'm ready to scan, allow the camera access, and then scan the QR code with your camera. Let's add location, so that means we can set up our home. Okay, now we can rename our doorbell. And then we need to charge our doorbell, so you need to plug in the charger right here. It's USB mini and connect it to the power source. Set up our device and connect it to the wall. Remove the film and then connect your doorbell with the Wi-Fi. So I have my password right here. Also, let me make sure, yep, I'm using 2.4G network. And then allow the location. I'm near my device. And let's see if the press and release the button on the back of your Ring doorbell. It should be located right here, so that means we actually need to remove that back cover. So the button is located right here. Press and hold it until you see that the ring is has a white light. Like that. Light is spinning white. And now it should connect with our Ring doorbell. Click on connect on that window, and the connection is successful. Select the Wi-Fi network that you want to use, and I'm going with 2.4G, as 5G networks might not work. And here we have our success. Invite shared users, so I skipped the whole installation to the wall, and then you can also invite your family members or anyone to use this Ring doorbell inside the app. Just make them download the app and then click on share device and give their email, and it will basically allow them to use it. We can connect the chime. I don't have it, so we're gonna skip it for now. Optimize our motion. I'm gonna skip it for now. You can of course do it. I'm gonna make a future tutorial on how to do that as well. And we can also check the features. And then your Ring doorbell works with modes. I don't have any modes, so I'm also gonna skip it. And then I'm done. And here's our device properly connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.